this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to sew up removable pom-poms. Okay, so I bought these from Amazon, so I'm going to sew this pom-pom on top of the hat. And these hats that I've been knitting on my Addy knitting machine, they are reversible, but you need to remove the pom-pom. And when you remove the pom-pom, you can easily put it in the washer, dryer, nothing will happen. Just trying to figure out which side should I sew it up. Because both sides are gorgeous. You need to figure out which side. I think this one is okay. There's too many yellows though. Well, it depends on the person, right? If you like too many yellows, you can use it both sides. Here we go. So you just take this off, just like this, and you sew this. This is kind of tricky to sew it up. That's why I wanted to do a tutorial for you guys to see, especially if you don't know. I don't know why this isn't focusing, because it's not focusing on the hat. So I have a needle and a thread. It's a cotton thread. So what I'm going to do is I put my hand, it's double, right? So we're going to sew. So I'm going to poke my needle in between the two fabric and hold it like this and try to put it in the middle, right in the middle here, just like this. Oh, I did it the wrong side. It has to be this way because, oh, I'm sorry, it has to be this way. Just double check because some are different. Yeah. So it has to be facing up like this. Double check always, because the one that I just sewed up, these pom-poms I bought from Amazon, but this one I bought it from AliExpress about 2 years ago, and they still sell them. See? See this one, how it is? So every pom-pom is different. And I sew it like this. Nothing. You can't see anything. No thread, just you see the sewing. And it's done nice and clean. So you just click this back. And then when you need to wash it, it's easy and removable. Okay, so let's sew this up. So again, put it in the middle. Make a knot on your thread. And what I do is I just go between, just between, because there's lots of fabric here, and I go between the hole here. Sometimes you can't see it, so just poke your needle and then go between, just like this. And don't pull it hard. I have a little knot, but it might come out, so don't pull it hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump right on this hole right here, but I'm going to slant it. Well, you can pull it, and then what you can do is just like this, move it like this, so you will have room. Just like that, secure it. And then it doesn't have to be on the next one. You can just go to the next, any hole that you are close to, and then you poke your needle again, and then you poke it like this. This is way easier, and then you can pull it a little bit harder. And I go back to one of the holes. And when I'm poking my needle, try to grab the fabric below. Well, it secured it, but just to be on the safe side. Yeah, that's what I've been doing. And then go back to this hole. And I do it twice. I think twice would be enough. If you want to go back and forth several times, you can do that. And then you just poke. Okay. And then try to pull it a little bit tighter. And then, oh, this one came out. Nothing to worry. We can fix that because the knot wasn't that big. So try to pull it. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump here, jump right there, and then poke the needle. So you keep on going back and forth, just like this. And I fix it. And then I go back. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull this, put this underneath. I have space there, and yes, I do. And then I'm just going to go between. So I'm going to start all over again. Okay, so we finished one row. Now we're going to do the second. Just like this. So I go. You can do as many as you want, but I think 2 is enough. I go like this. I go underneath. And I double strand my yarn. And I'm done. See how it looks like underneath? You can't see anything. Okay, and I will show you. So you can't see anything here either. No thread, nothing. This is the yarn. See how nice and clean it is? And what I do is I kind of hold it like this. You know, it's really hard to see, but I'm going to secure my yarn just like this. So I did it once. I grabbed the double strand. Tight as I can. And we're done. Then I go back a couple of times. And you just cut your your thread, and this is how easy it is. I just wanted to share because I've been noticing people are having a hard time how to sew it up because I don't think there's any directions, yeah, when you buy these pom-poms. And then it's nice. Well, this came like this. It was already sewn, see? So they didn't sew it like I did. I went to every hole, and they only did 3 here. So it is pretty strong. But I would highly recommend you to remove it when you're washing it. Oh, and this is all to it. So I hope you liked this tutorial. I just wanted to share how you can sew up a pom-pom, removable pom-pom, and enjoy your pom-pom. And this one is a little bit smaller compared to the, yeah, I think this is just 3.75. Yeah, I might end up making my own pom-poms. I don't know yet. That's another journey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. And stay home, stay safe, take care.